Today we will learn about modes of transportation. Hi friends! Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to learn all about the different ways we can travel from one place to another. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a car. Cars are great for families to travel together. They help us travel quickly and comfortably to different places. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycles are fast, fun to ride, and can easily navigate through traffic. This is a scooter. Scooters are small, easy to ride, and great for short trips. This is a bicycle. Bicycles are used as they are fun to ride, good exercise, and don't need gas. This is a bus. Buses can carry lots of people to different places all at once. This is a train. Trains travel on tracks and can travel long distances quickly and carry many passengers at once. This is a van. Vans have lots of space for people and things, making them perfect for family trips and deliveries. This is a truck. Trucks can carry heavy loads like furniture, groceries, and construction materials from one place to another. This is a school bus. School buses safely take students to and from school every day. This is a helicopter. Helicopters can fly high in the sky and reach places that are hard to get to by other means. This is an airplane. Airplanes can fly high above the clouds and take us to faraway places quickly. This is a boat. Boats are great for sailing on lakes and rivers. This is a ship. Ships are like big boats and can carry lots of people and goods across the ocean. This is an ambulance. Ambulances help sick or injured people get to the hospital fast, so they can get the help they need. This is a fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters quickly reach places where there's a fire, so they can put it out and keep everyone safe. This is a police car. Police cars help police officers keep our communities safe by quickly responding to emergencies and patrolling the streets. Wow, we learned so much about different modes of transportation today.